Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today we got this 2000 Honda Accord, and we will be replacing the front strut for this car. As you can see, it's lowered. We want to put back the original front strut and rear strut of this car, so we bought it online. Auto shock right there inside. So right, so check this car. So it's really low. Let's see after we put the original parts. Alright, first we need to remove the tire. We'll be using 19mm socket. Alright. Okay, next one. We need to remove this brake hose bracket, number 10 socket. There you go. Nice. And next one is this. Okay, so there's a bolt in here. This is already the strut fork, so we're using number 17. Right, let's do it. So it's moving on the other side right here. So we have to put something in here. I don't know if you can see it. There. Yeah, let's go back over here. You see it? Yep. Go. Alright, and that's the nut on the other side. Good. And next one, it's number 14. That would be over here. So there's a nut, a bolt in here. Do you see it? There you go. We're still removing this one, the strut fork. There you go. See it? This one. Nice. And now we can bring down the fork. There you go. Super easy. Let me here. There you go. That's the fork, front strut fork. And now we'll be removing the strut. Alright, so on the top we'll be using number 14, and 12. So these two, oops, this one, these two are number 12, and the three, this three is number 14. So let's start with this. Leave at least one. So the number 2, number 12. Go. And this one. Now make sure to hold the strut underneath. Go. Yeah. Alright. Go. And it's raining now. Woo. Now let's move the strut. There you go. It's a coil over. Look at that. Alright guys, so we got the brand new one from Auto Shock. Where's that? Right here. From Auto Shock. Alright, let's install it. So, but make sure there's left and right in there, so you're not gonna how do you say it, put it on the wrong side, because this is only like a one-way. See this bolt only goes to one position, so there were like two 12mm and 14, so you're not gonna install it wrong. And also one tip, look at this. So this is always at the back, so and there's a guide in here, see that goes in here, so you won't gonna install it wrong. Otherwise, if you put this on the wrong side, it's not gonna work. So you will never ever put this wrong. Okay, let's install it. Alright, first let's put this. Now let's remove, not in here. Alright, let's install it. Alright. So when connecting the shock, this shock in the fork, we'll be using this to push it down. So as you can see in here, I already put back the fork. So this is the fork, this is the bolt, and over here. So that's the hole. The other hole is somewhere in here. So that's why you need this steel bar. Put it in here. Then look at that. See that? You can bring it down. So that's what we are going to do, to be aligned. It's good if you had someone to press this so that you can insert the bolt, but as for me, I'm a one-man team, so I'll do it by myself. Alright, let's do it. That and push this. It's hard.
Tumarta na yan ka 180, Brad. 180 pero.
Ay nagabang ko itlugan?
Ba, dahil jalugan niya ka na ka. Kay 6'5 na kabarbaraw.
Di babae?
Oh, ano ni Nicole?
Ano?
Ano yung bike daw?
Oh?
Kung nag-drive sa interstate pa, yung ganyan. Kasi kaya ang interstate. Kala highway 1 tayo.
Talagang pinaspasan.
Kawa minimum ng 100 miles per hour.
Good.
Miles
Nakakuha pa 50 miles kayo sa kilometer.
Oh, DJ Logan US, miles. Umalis pag itinaturog yung talat pa nagparkingan. Kanya na datatangking ko na. Ang biro ka mo di tangke, madya pumanaw. Bagi na niya yung pisto mag-laro. Vaccine.
Ayos
May
original na. Talagang
Kita mano, sumabit. Sumabit niya. Umadayot yung mukha eh. Umadayot at umadar eh.
Ay, madayong pa isa.
Madayot.
Madayong yung mato. Madayong talaga.
Madayot.
Kasi nagkasjay.
Ay,
Circle
tata-
kasjay.
ay.
Tatanay pangataw na paano diyenti kastala. Dahil kasjay tapos diretso. Nakaskasta.
Umadar.
Unay pa diyenti lubog.
Oo. Gusto.
Good.
Original na talaga.
Original nga talaga. Dahil talaga original na. Na-press. Hindi ka nagbabaw.
Awanti kutsi nga nakita kay Brad.
Puro. Alright guys, so that's how you install a front strut for 2000 Honda Accord. So as you can see the difference now. It's like that's 4 inches allowance compared in here. Look at this. So I also did the second one. It's raining in here now. Look at that. So that's it. So if you had any question, any suggestion, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today and see you on my next video. Bye bye.